Hello techies, welcome back to our channel Canada Techy, where we uncover the latest tech secrets and news in the simplest language. If you're ready to dive into the world of technology, then let's get started. First one, the smartphone revolution. You won't believe what's happening in the smartphone world. Remember those foldable phones that seemed like a futuristic dream? Well, they are here and they are changing the game. Companies like Samsung and Huawei have introduced phones that can actually fold in off, giving you a tablet-sized screen in your pocket. Imagine watching your favorite shows on a bigger screen without carrying an extra device. Second one, AI's incredible journey. Artificial intelligence or AI is making some serious waves. You have probably heard of smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, but did you know that AI is now helping doctors detect disease? Yep, AI algorithms are analyzing medical data and spotting patterns that human doctors might miss. This means faster and more accurate diagnosis, saving lives in the process. Next one, the electric car buzz. Buckle up, because electric cars are hitting the road in a big way. Tesla, the electric car leader, keeps surprising us with their new models that can go faster and further on a single charge. But it's not just Tesla, other car makers are also joining the race to create eco-friendly rides. Imagine a world where your car doesn't need gas. That's the future we are heading towards. Next one, gaming galore. Attention gamers, brace yourself for the next level of gaming goodness. Virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming the way we play. VR lets you dive into immersive worlds, while AR blends the digital with the real world. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to enjoy these experiences. Just put on your VR headset or use your smartphone and you are ready to explore. Last but not least, cybersecurity spotlight. Tech secrets aren't just the cool stuff. It's also about staying safe online. With more of our lives moving to the digital realm, cybersecurity is a hot topic. We are talking about protecting your personal info, your passwords, and your online activities from hackers. So don't forget to keep your devices updated with the latest security patches and use strong, unique passwords for your accounts. And there you have it, a quick roundup of the latest tech secrets and news in a language anyone can understand. From foldable phones to AI magic, electric cars to gaming innovations, and importance of cybersecurity. The tech world is always buzzing with excitement. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, tech isn't just for experts. It's all of us to enjoy and explore. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep embracing the wonders of technology.